Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is p plus q into p square plus q square equals 585. P minus q into p square minus q square equals 441. You have to find the value of p and q. So how we will start solving this question? We will consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now what will be the next step? You have to find the value of p and q. So we will divide equation 2 and 1. So divide 2 and 1. What will this become? We get p plus q into p square plus q square divided by p minus q into p square minus q square can be right here the important formula, that is p square minus q square will equal p minus q into p plus q. So we will apply this important formula here, and that equals 585 divided by 441. So both are multiple of 3. So we get this. Also divided this by 9 easily. So we got, when divide this, we get 585 divided by 9 gives us 5 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54 and 9 5 are 45. And 9 4s are 36, 8 remaining, so 49 by 65 by 49. And this term are cancel out. We have p square plus q square divided by p minus q, its whole square, equals 65 by 49. Now what will be the next step? We will do the cross multiplication and get 49 p square plus 49 q square. Here we have 65. P minus q whole square is p square plus q square minus 2 of pq. Now solve this further. Here we get, multiply this, 49 p square plus 49 q square equals 65 p square plus 65 q square. Then 65 into 2, what will happen to this? We have 65 times 2, we get 130. So we have 49, this will become minus 130 pq. So our equation will become 65 p square minus 49 p square plus 65 q square minus 49 q square, and this will become minus 130 pq equals 0. Now 65 minus 49 will become 16. So we have 65 minus 49 is 16. 16 p square plus 16 q square minus 130 pq equals 0. Now divide this by, we can divide this also by 2 to solve this further. So we have, divide by 2 gives us, write this here, we get the value of this is 8p square plus 8q square minus, when this is divided by 2, 65 pq equals 0. Now we will write this arrange form, 8p square minus 65 pq plus 8q square equals 0. We can make the factor of 64 such that when they are added give 65. So 64 times 1 is 65. Now we take 8p as common, remaining is p minus 64. 8 times 64, so 64q. 8p is 8q, and from this we can take minus q as common, so p minus 8q. Now we got the factors that we have 8p minus q equals 0, this is the first one, and p minus 8q equals 0. 8p equals q, this is the first factor, and p equals 8q, this is the second factor. Now you have to find the value of p and q. For this purpose, substitute these values inside any one equation. So let us take p equals 8q in 1. In place of p, 8q plus q. P square means 8q square plus q square equals 585. 8q plus 1 is 9q. 64q square plus q square. We have 9 into 65, q cube, 585. That gives us 65 into 9 is 585. Cube equals 585, divided by, this will be divided by, q cube is 1, which implies that q is 1. So if the q is 1, what will be the value of p? Q is 1, so p is 8 into 1 means 8. So we got the answer as p equals 8 and q equals 1. So this is the final answer. Or similarly, we can also solve this as p equals 1 and q equals 8. This is the answer. Now we can do the verification also, is our answer is correct or not. So do the verification. P is 8 and q is 1. Left hand side of any one equation gives us p plus 1 means 8 plus 1, 64 plus 1, that is 9 into 65, that is 585 equals right hand side. So this is the solution. If you found this video helpful, subscribe MathSolver1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another tricky problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch till the end. Stay tuned.